Hello students, in this lecture we see integrating factor rule 3. So what is rule 3? If the differential equation mdx plus ndy is equal to 0 is of the form y into f1 of xy into dx plus x into f2 of xy, then integrating factor is equal to 1 upon m into x minus n into y. So here, if the given differential equation, which is in the form mdx plus ndy is equal to 0, if form of that equation is y into f1 xy means function of xy into dx plus x into f2 of xy, that is another function of xy. So if equation is in this form, then integrating factor is 1 upon m into x minus n into y. So we see here one example. Solve y into x into y into sin xy plus cos xy dx plus x into bracket xy into sin xy minus cos xy dy is equal to 0. So you can see that this equation is in this form y into function f1 of xy, this is function of xy into sin xy plus cos xy. Function of xy means the terms of xy or powers of xy. Here similar to sin x, here is sin xy. This is called as function of xy plus x into f2 of xy, another function of xy. Here also xy into sin xy minus cos xy, this is function of xy. So this is in that form y into f1 of xy dx plus x into f2 of xy dy is equal to 0. Therefore, to find integrating factor, the condition is first check whether m into x minus n into y is equal to 0 or not equal to 0. So we calculate here m into x. So this is m y into bracket. So multiplying it by x, then minus n into y. So this is n x into bracket, and this is multiplying it by y. So solving these two, here we can see that the same term here xy into xy sin xy, here also minus xy into xy sin xy, these plus and minus, the two terms will cancel, and these two terms xy into bracket cos xy, here xy into bracket minus cos xy, and this minus and minus minus, this is plus. So this is same term. So we get 2 times xy into cos xy, addition of these two terms. So this is not equal to 0. Therefore we get integrating factor 1 upon mx minus ny is equal to 1 upon 2xy cos xy is equal to, which is nothing but integrating factor. Here for this integrating factor we have the condition that mx minus ny is not equal to 0. If this is equal to 0, we cannot find integrating factor. So mx minus ny is not equal to 0, and therefore 1 upon mx minus ny is equal to 1 upon, this is mx minus ny, 2xy cos xy is equal to integrating factor. This is integrating factor. So now we have find integrating factor. Now to solve the equation, first we have to multiply the given equation by integrating factor. Therefore the given equation is y into bracket xy sin xy plus cos xy into dx plus x into bracket xy sin xy minus cos xy into dy. So multiplying by 1 upon 2xy cos xy means dividing by 2xy cos xy. So we divide here each term by 2xy cos xy. So these are two terms we have separated, dividing each term by 2xy into cos xy. So you see here, this is 1 upon 2, we have taken it common, and into bracket, here in this bracket there are two terms, so we divide each term by 2xy cos xy. So dividing this term xy into sin xy divided by 2xy cos xy, 2 is common here, so dividing by this we cancel here xy into cos xy, and therefore we get this y into sin xy divided by cos xy. Therefore we have written here y into bracket, this y is taken inside the bracket, therefore y into sin xy upon cos xy means tan xy plus this cos xy divided by this 2xy cos xy, 2 is here common, so here cancel cos xy, therefore here remains only this y also cancels with this y, and here remains only 1 upon x, 2 is outside the bracket. So dividing this term by 2xy cos xy, we get 1 upon x, y also cancelled with this outside y, and we get only 1 upon x, plus here xy sin xy divided by, here also x is multiplied here, so dividing this term by 2xy cos xy, 2 is outside here, now dividing xy cos xy, xy will get cancelled here, and we get sin xy, this x into sin xy upon cos xy means x into tan xy, minus dividing this term by, this is cos xy divided by 2xy cos xy, so here also xy get cancelled with this xy, and multiplying this x here, it also get cancelled with this x, and here y remains, cos xy upon y remains, only 1 upon y remains here, Therefore minus 1 upon y into this dy is equal to 0. So here now multiplying by integrating factor, that equation becomes exact differential equation, and therefore solution of exact differential equation is nothing but integration of m dx. Here integration of m dx plus, now this is our new equation, so this is our m. So this is m 1/2 into bracket, and this is n. So for solution we integrate m, so 1/2 into integration of, this is m y tan xy plus 1 upon x into dx plus integration of n, only those terms of n which do not contain x. So here is only minus 1 upon y and this is 1/2. So 1/2 integration only minus 1 upon y dy is equal to constant of integration c. For our convenience I have taken here log of c dash. So now integrating this first term, 1/2 is constant outside, y tan xy integration is with respect to x, here y is constant, therefore y as it is, and integration of tan xy is log sec xy, integration of tan x is log sec x, therefore integration of tan xy is log sec xy, but dividing by derivative of this x into y. So derivative of x into y with respect to x, y is constant, therefore y into derivative of x is 1, therefore only y, so dividing by y, plus 1 upon x, integration of 1 upon x with respect to x, it is log x, therefore this is log x, plus now here 1/2 into, this is minus 1 upon y dy, means minus integration of 1 upon y with respect to y is log y is equal to log c dash. Therefore here y is cancelled and remains log sec xy, this is log xy minus this is 1/2 log y is equal to log c dash. So we merge these two brackets, 1/2 is taken here common, therefore remains here log sec xy plus log x minus log y is equal to log c dash. Therefore this is log of sec xy plus log x minus log y means log of x upon y, and this 2 is multiplied here, so 2 log c dash. Now whole this is equal to log c dash square, and c dash square we can take it as a c, therefore this is now log c. So here this is log sec xy plus log x upon y is equal to log c. So log sec xy, here addition of 2 log means multiplication of these two terms, therefore log of sec xy into x upon y is equal to here log c. So cancelling log on both sides we get, and here x upon y into sec xy is equal to only c. Both the sides we have cancelled log, and therefore x upon y into sec xy is equal to c. We multiply the equation by y and we get x into sec xy is equal to c into y, which is the equation. So this is the method how to find integrating factor and then how to solve given equation. So we stop here. In the next lecture we will see the next rule of integrating factor. Thank you.